The mystery in our skies, revealing brand new video of an alleged UFO retrieval.
The moon is over here. That's the moon right there. What the f is that over there, y'all?
What is that?
What?
The one right there is obvious. It's either a drone or a plane that's flying above them. But those four dots right there, it's flying over.
Unidentified aerial phenomena, UAPs, are making headlines once again, and the reports are more extraordinary than ever. While 2024 saw record-breaking sightings of unexplained aerial events, 2025 is already proving to be a year of even greater intrigue. From strange light formations over raging California wildfires to advanced, heat-emitting cylindrical objects spotted in the skies of Sussex, England, UAPs continue to puzzle scientists, governments, and the public alike. Why now? What do these events mean? And what can we learn from them? Today, we'll examine two fascinating cases that are sparking debate worldwide.
These aliens are attacking.
California's strange phenomena and wildfires. Let's start in California, a state grappling with yet another devastating wildfire season. In January alone, 3 major wildfires have scorched over 5,000 acres combined, with high winds and dry conditions pushing the flames to new extremes. However, it's not just the scale of destruction that has people talking. It's what's been seen above the infernos. Recent video footage captured by bystanders and firefighters alike shows bright white halos hovering in the smoky skies. These rings of light, eerily silent and seemingly unaffected by the chaotic winds, have sparked widespread speculation. Are they a natural atmospheric phenomenon, a technological intervention, or something entirely different? Meteorologists suggest the halos could be the result of light refracting through dense smoke and ash particles in the atmosphere. Similar phenomena, such as fire rainbows and sun halos, occur when sunlight interacts with moisture or ice crystals. However, skeptics argue that these halos behaved in ways inconsistent with natural phenomena. Witnesses reported that they moved purposefully, holding their shape and even changing positions in ways that suggest intelligent control. Some experts believe these halos could be related to experimental firefighting technologies, such as drones designed to monitor or even suppress wildfires. In fact, California has been testing advanced drone systems capable of deploying fire retardants and mapping fire behavior in real time. Could these halos be part of a classified program? UAP phenomena in Sussex, England. Now, let's turn our attention to Sussex, England, where an air support team recently captured remarkable footage using infrared cameras. The footage shows a cylindrical object emitting a significant heat signature as it glided through the sky. What makes this sighting particularly compelling is the use of infrared technology, which detects heat emissions invisible to the human eye. According to the air support team, the object maintained a steady trajectory, radiating consistent heat, an indication of a propulsion system unlike any conventional aircraft. This isn't the first time cylindrical UAPs have been spotted. In fact, they've been reported globally, often in restricted airspace or near sensitive military installations. The Pentagon's All-Domain Anomaly Resolution Office, AARO, noted that of the 757 new UAP reports received between May 2023 and June 2024, many involved cylindrical or tic-tac-shaped objects. Retired U.S. Navy pilot Commander David Fravor, known for his encounter with the famous Tic-Tac UAP in 2004, has stated that these objects demonstrate capabilities far beyond any known human technology. They accelerate at speeds that would crush a human pilot, he said in a recent interview. We're not dealing with drones or advanced fighter jets. This is something entirely different. While skeptics argue that these sightings could be advanced foreign drones or experimental aircraft, there's little evidence to support this theory. International governments, including the US, China, and Russia, have all denied involvement. Additionally, the object's characteristics, such as their ability to hover silently, move at hypersonic speeds, and emit no visible propulsion, defy current technological limits. For some, this raises the tantalizing possibility that these UAPs are not of human origin. Could we be witnessing evidence of extraterrestrial technology? While that question remains speculative, the Sussex incident adds to a growing body of evidence that demands serious scientific inquiry. 4 Symbolic Phenomena in Sydney, Australia. Let's head to Sydney, Australia, where a bizarre and awe-inspiring event has left residents puzzled. A massive cloud formation appeared in the sky, resembling what some described as a perfectly symmetrical spiral. This wasn't your typical weather phenomenon. Eyewitnesses claimed the formation seemed to hover unnaturally, maintaining its distinct shape for an unusually long period. But that's not all. As the mysterious cloud dissipated, beachgoers reported finding black, spherical debris washing ashore, a phenomenon that has baffled scientists and locals alike. Samples of the debris have been sent to labs for analysis, with preliminary reports suggesting it contains a mix of carbon-based materials and trace metals. Some experts believe these could be remnants of meteorites or other space debris, while others suggest they may be linked to high-altitude atmospheric events. Could this be a rare example of a lenticular cloud, a type of cloud known for its peculiar shapes and association with atmospheric disturbances? Or is there something more complex at play? Some meteorologists point to ionized particles in the upper atmosphere, which can produce dramatic cloud formations under specific conditions. Others are less convinced by natural explanations, especially given the black debris washing ashore. This incident also raises the broader question of whether UAP activity and atmospheric anomalies are somehow connected. The skies over Australia have been home to numerous UAP sightings over the years, fueling speculation that events like the one at Kula Beach could be more than just coincidental. 5 pilot reports UAP encounter in Texas. Next, we turn to Texas, where a commercial airline pilot captured footage of what many are calling one of the clearest UAP sightings in recent years. At an altitude of 35,000 feet, the pilot observed a group of luminous objects moving in unison across the sky. The footage, taken with a high-resolution camera, shows 3 distinct objects emitting steady, pulsating lights. In an interview, the pilot described the objects as highly maneuverable, performing abrupt turns and rapid accelerations that would be impossible for conventional aircraft. "It's hard to explain what I saw up there," the pilot stated. "They seem to defy the laws of physics, moving in ways I've never seen before in my 20 years of flying." What's particularly intriguing is that the pilot mentioned the objects appeared to shift in visibility as they moved closer. Some speculate this could be evidence of advanced camouflage technology, perhaps a cloaking mechanism that blends the objects into their surroundings. Similar theories have been proposed for other UAP sightings, where objects seem to disappear or distort their appearance when viewed from certain angles. Aviation analyst Richard Beasley noted that pilots are trained observers who rarely mistake natural phenomena for something extraordinary. When you have experienced pilots reporting objects like this, we need to pay attention. These aren't weather balloons or reflections. These are solid, physical entities. The Texas incident has prompted calls for airlines to equip more cockpits with advanced recording devices, as many pilots have admitted to seeing strange phenomena but lack the tools to document them effectively. Mysterious green orbs in New Jersey. Finally, let's head to Ocean City, New Jersey, where a fast-moving green orb of light was caught on webcam footage. The recording shows the orb streaking across the night sky before vanishing just as quickly as it appeared. This isn't the first time green orbs have been spotted, but the clarity of this footage has reignited debate about their origins. Green lights in the sky are often attributed to meteors burning up in the Earth's atmosphere, which can emit a greenish hue due to the presence of certain elements, such as magnesium. However, in this case, the orb's trajectory and speed don't align with typical meteor behavior. It moved horizontally at a constant altitude, with no visible fragmentation or trail, a characteristic more consistent with controlled flight. Some researchers speculate that these green orbs could be probes or drones deployed by extraterrestrial entities. Their small size, agility, and ability to vanish without a trace suggest advanced technology. The idea of self-contained exploratory probes is not far-fetched, said Dr. Michael Chen, a physicist specializing in propulsion systems. If extraterrestrial civilizations exist, it's logical they'd use compact, sophisticated devices for reconnaissance. The New Jersey sighting has sparked significant public interest, with thousands of people sharing the footage online and offering theories ranging from swamp gas to alien surveillance. NASA's UAP study team has stated they are aware of the footage and are working to incorporate it into their ongoing research. At the same time, skeptics argue that the green orb could be a man-made drone or even an elaborate hoax. However, the lack of any audible sound or radar detection complicates these theories, leaving the true nature of the phenomenon unresolved. In the Philippines, residents in Manila captured footage of a glowing green sphere darting through the night sky. The object moved at incredible speeds, zigzagging before abruptly vanishing. Similar reports came from the UK, where a glowing green object was spotted in the skies over Cornwall. Witnesses described the UAP as pulsating and emitting a faint humming sound, unlike anything they had experienced before. What's striking about these sightings is not just their visual similarity, but also the timing. Both incidents occurred within 48 hours of each other, leading some to speculate that these UAPs could be part of a coordinated event, or even the same object traveling vast distances. Dr. Eileen Carter, an astrophysicist and UAP researcher, highlighted the unusual nature of such reports. While green lights in the sky are sometimes attributed to meteors or auroral activity, the behavior of these objects is highly irregular. They exhibit controlled movements and sudden changes in direction, which rule out most natural explanations. This isn't the first time neon green UAPs have been reported. Similar sightings have been documented in Brazil, Canada, and Japan over the past year. The consistency of these descriptions across continents has led some researchers to propose that these UAPs could represent a specific type of craft or technology, unlike anything currently known to humanity. One of the most concerning aspects of recent UAP encounters is their reported ability to interfere with electronic devices, particularly onboard aircraft systems. Pilots have shared accounts of sudden equipment failures, communication blackouts, and even erratic behavior in navigation systems when UAPs are nearby. A commercial pilot flying over the Atlantic in December 2024 described a chilling encounter. While tracking an unidentified object on radar, the plane's autopilot disengaged, and its navigation systems began displaying erratic readings. It was as if the plane had lost its sense of direction, the pilot recalled. The object reportedly hovered near the aircraft for several minutes before shooting off at an incredible speed. Some of the most compelling evidence of UAP-induced interference comes from military encounters. In 2004, during the now famous USS Nimitz Tic Tac incident, radar operators reported that their systems experienced intermittent disruptions when tracking the UAP. More recently, a Pentagon report noted that electromagnetic interference was a recurring feature in over a dozen analyzed UAP incidents. What could be causing these effects? Some scientists suggest that UAPs may emit powerful electromagnetic fields or other forms of energy that disrupt nearby electronics. If this is the case, it raises significant concerns about aviation safety and the potential risks posed by these phenomena. On the other hand, skeptics argue that these malfunctions could be coincidences or even psychological effects experienced by witnesses under stress. However, the growing number of documented cases, coupled with video evidence, makes this explanation increasingly difficult to accept. Conclusion: as we've seen from the extraordinary cases this year, unidentified aerial phenomena continue to defy conventional explanations. From glowing halos over California to green orbs streaking across New Jersey skies, these sightings challenge our understanding of technology, natural phenomena, and even our place in the universe. But what could they mean? The truth about UAPs may not be revealed overnight, but one thing is certain: the conversation is just beginning. What do you think? Are these sightings evidence of advanced technology, natural occurrences, or something otherworldly? Could there be a connection to theories like Project Bluebeam? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Share them in the comments below. As mysteries like these continue to unfold, we're committed to bringing you the latest updates, expert insights, and in-depth discussions. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss a single story. Stay curious, stay engaged, and stay tuned as we continue to explore the unknown. Together, we'll uncover the truths hidden in our skies.